I'll demonstrate how to assemble a three-sided frame. So the end with the adjustment pieces will go on the receiver side, like that. I'm trying to bring the phone closer. So the first step is to put the wheels into the track. Make sure the cord running along this side is inside the top channel before the wheels go in, like so. Then angle the top track so that the zip goes in. Feed the zip through the white channel and pull the handle through about 5 to 10 centimeters in. Then we can insert the top track, bang it in. Make sure it can move freely. The other side is the same. So make sure that cord is in the channel. Then put the wheels in. Pull the handle through, make sure the zip goes through the channel, and then pull the handle in, just like that. Make sure the handle can move freely. Then grab a Phillips head screwdriver and push the adjustment piece towards the handle. Loosen the screw first. Push the piece towards the handle until the cord isn't loose. On both sides. Or push it towards the marking that we made on the other side. Yeah. So push the adjustment piece until it lines up with the black marking we made, and then screw it tight. And you have to install it. Yep.
Alright, that's it.